Hey, third grade, Mr. Johnson again. So this is our second experiment for changes in states of matter. And to do this at home, you'll need a bottle of some kind. You can use a water bottle or a soda bottle. Just make sure it's clean and cleared out. You'll need some vinegar. So I have clear white vinegar. I've got about 5 ounces here. You could probably use a little less if you wanted. And you will also need some baking soda. And I have 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and I have already put them in my little funnel scoop that I'm going to use to put the baking soda into the next material, which is you'll need a balloon. Okay, so that's everything you need for this experiment. And what you're going to do is you're going to pour the vinegar into your bottle, and you're going to put the baking soda into the balloon. You might need a grown-up's help for this. It's kind of tricky to do. And then once you do that, I'll show you the next part.